Hi, my name is Natalie.
And my name is Roman.
We heard from parents that they're interested in resources to help literacy at home right now. Today we're going to share one of our favorite activities from our in-school literacy workshop.
It's called the Swatter game.
It's most appropriate for kids in elementary school. It helps students practice sight words and vocabulary. But we will show you how to adjust for younger kids and make it more challenging for older students.
Here is what you will need. You'll need some paper, and you'll need a book of whatever your child chooses. It could be their favorite, whatever book that they have read. And you also need a fly swatter and a marker.
Feel free to use any paper you have in your house, index cards, or scrap paper from something you don't need that came in the mail. Next, pick a book your child is reading. In this book, you will pick 8 to 12 words that you're learning, either meaning or pronunciation. For K to 3rd, you can work on sight words. For younger, you can work on letters. And for older, you can work on more difficult vocal words. Once you have your cards made, you will need 2 players and a fly swatter.
So here's a fly swatter.
If you don't have a fly swatter, you can use a spatula or wooden spoon. You can even use your hands. Next, put the cards down in the table in front of you, just like I'm doing right now. Or for more of a challenge, you can put them around the room. Now for the rules. A third person will call out a word or letter. The first person to swat the word correctly wins. To make it more difficult, you can also say the winner needs to be able to sound out the word or say what the word means, depending on what you and your student are working on. Now Roman and I will play around so you can see.
Curse.
Both of us hit the tie.
Sightings.
Got it! I love this.
Wizard.
Dang it, you got it.
Supernatural.
I got it first. I got supernatural first. It's mine. All mine.
Sorceress.
Looks like I'm losing.
Creepy.
Got it.
I really hope this was useful. We will be sharing more videos about activities to support at-home literacy soon. If you have any other ideas to share with us, please share them in the comments.
Bye. We'll see you next video.